Hi guys, what's up? This is the second episode for Vlogging 2020. And for today, I'm going tech. Since I posted something on my Facebook and Instagram account, this is my first investments for 2020, a Boya shotgun mic. This has been around since 2017, I think, and vloggers everywhere are recommending this over other brands. There are actually copies of this brand. This is the premium brand, the Boya MM1. So I bought it finally, and to be able to use it with a Samsung A80, you need to buy a jack like this. This is a USB-C to a 3.5 millimeter earphone jack. So my problem with this is that when you plug this and then you plug this to the A80, this doesn't work. It's not fake or anything, it's not defective or anything like that. I found that when I use the Baseus with basic computer speakers, I find that the Baseus jack works perfectly. And then when I plug this Cardioid microphone to my Samsung J7 Prime, this Cardioid microphone, it works like a charm. So what seems to be the problem? What seems to be the remedy? Well, I found out after an hour testing whatever I could do. I tried to update stuff, tried to download camera apps. I was able to find out that once you switch, if this Baseus was connected to the A80, since I can show it to you because I'm using the A80 right now. So if you switch it here, and then you try to switch that with the Boya mic, the Boya mic starts to work 100% of the time. So I'm no engineer, but I can deduce that the leftover charge, since the computer speakers are plugged into the wall socket, the leftover charge provided enough current to send signals to and from the mic. So this is going to be cumbersome, so I can't use this Boya mic on the field. So if I'm going out and shooting some footage outside and then trying to get some audio, I'm not going to be able to use this Boya mic. And so the downfall is that this setup is going to have to be used right here in my home, which is my studio for this YouTube vlogging. And outside, I'm going to have to stick with this omnidirectional mic from my headset. So that's all I can do for now, since I'm short on budget. Even though I'm a doctor, I am short on budget because I actually check patients for free, so I don't have any budget. I'll be linking this stuff down below. So if you manage to buy this and you have a Samsung A80 phone and you find this this little hack of mine, this video, write down your comments on this comment section below. I don't know if this hack, if this actually works with the Samsung S9 or S10 and the S20. Probably it does, because those models, those smartphone models are higher end. But hey, let me know if you tested this combination with your smartphones. And anyway, as always, if you like what you see here and you want to see more, just click that subscribe button, or make sure you also check my channel, because I'm a doctor. I post medical stuff, firefighter. I'm also a firefighter, so I post firefighter stuff. And if that's not your forte, that's okay if you don't subscribe. But hey, I try to create content as much as I can, and I'm trying to post regularly now for 2020, and hopefully I can get to about 50 episodes before the year ends. And I'm already starting second month of February. If you want to know why I'm only starting late, you can check out the previous video. Anyways, I like your support, guys, and peace out.